Mastering technical writing, manuals, guides, and documentation. Be it a piece of software, a complex machine, or a new product, technical documentation plays a critical role in ensuring that end users can understand, operate, and troubleshoot these systems. The importance of technical writing. Technical writing is more than just conveying information. It's about creating a bridge between the product or system and its end users. Well-crafted technical documentation serves several vital purposes. The primary function of technical documentation is to guide users through a product setup, operation, maintenance, and troubleshooting. It should empower users to make the most of the product's features and functions. For products involving safety-critical elements, such as medical devices or industrial equipment, documentation can be a matter of life and death. Clear and accurate instructions are essential to ensure users' safety. Compliance. In regulated industries like healthcare, aviation, and manufacturing, compliance with industry standards and government regulations is mandatory. Accurate and comprehensive documentation is often a legal requirement. Well-written documentation can be a marketing tool in itself. Clear, concise, and user-friendly manuals can enhance a product's reputation and increase user satisfaction. Planning your documentation. Before you start writing, you must create a plan. This plan includes understanding your audience, setting objectives, and deciding on the document's format and structure. A manual for software developers will differ significantly from one intended for non-technical end users. Objectives. What do you want to achieve with your documentation? Are you aiming to provide step-by-step instructions, troubleshooting advice, or reference materials? Clearly define your objectives to guide the content creation process. Format and structure. Choose the format and structure that best suits your documentation's purpose. Common formats include manuals, guides, tutorials, and online help systems. Within these formats, consider using headings, subheadings, lists, tables, and illustrations to improve readability and accessibility. Writing principles for technical documentation. Technical writing has its own set of principles that help in conveying complex information clearly and concisely. Clarity and simplicity. Use clear, straightforward language. Avoid jargon and unnecessary technical terms. If you must use technical terms, provide clear definitions. Maintain consistent formatting, terminology, and style throughout the document. Create a style guide to ensure uniformity. Structure. Follow a logical structure with a clear beginning, middle, and end. Use a consistent document layout to make it easier for users to find information. Visual aids. Incorporate visual aids such as diagrams, charts, and images where they enhance understanding. Ensure that these aids are properly labeled and referenced. User-centered approach. Write from the user's perspective. Use you and your to directly address the user. Focus on the tasks they need to perform. Effective editing is crucial in the technical writing process. Consider these points when reviewing your work. Accuracy. Check all technical information for accuracy. Errors in technical documentation can lead to serious consequences. Conciseness. Eliminate unnecessary words and phrases to make the documentation more concise. Usability testing. Have potential users test your documentation to identify any areas of confusion or difficulty. Documenting technical procedures. When documenting technical procedures, whether it's assembling a piece of furniture, configuring software, or troubleshooting a system, follow these steps. Provide an overview of the task, its purpose, and any prerequisites. Materials and tools. List the required materials, tools, and resources. Step-by-step instructions. Break down the task into clear, sequential steps. Use bullet points or numbered lists. Summarize the task and provide any relevant next steps or related tasks. Documenting reference materials. Reference materials, such as technical specifications, glossaries, and FAQs, require a different approach. Indexing. Create a comprehensive index to help users quickly locate information. Cross-referencing. Link related sections or documents for easy navigation. Definitions and explanations. Provide clear definitions and explanations for technical terms and concepts. Online documentation. In today's digital age, online documentation is becoming increasingly important. Online manuals and guides allow for quick updates, interactive elements, and user feedback. When creating online documentation, use hypertext. Incorporate hyperlinks to facilitate easy navigation. Multimedia. Include videos, animations, and interactive elements for a richer learning experience. Responsive design. Ensure that your online documentation is accessible on various devices, including desktops, tablets, and mobile phones. Conclusion. Technical writing is an essential skill for anyone tasked with creating manuals, guides, and documentation. When done right, it can enhance the user experience, prevent errors, and ensure the safety and efficiency of products and systems. Remember that the key to effective technical writing is understanding your audience and delivering information with clarity, accuracy, and user-friendliness. Mastering this skill will not only benefit your users but also elevate your own professional capabilities.